Planning a kitchen renovation in 2026? Before you choose cabinet colors, countertops, or paint finishes, you need to see the kitchen color trends that are taking over American homes this year. The right kitchen color can make your space feel brighter, larger, more luxurious, and even increase your home's appeal. Meanwhile, the wrong color choice can make a newly renovated kitchen feel outdated much faster than expected. Today, we're exploring the most popular kitchen colors dominating homes across America in 2026. From warm whites and earthy neutrals to rich greens and dramatic navy blues, these trends are redefining modern kitchen design. Let's dive in. Why kitchen color matters. The kitchen is often called the heart of the home. It's where families gather, meals are prepared, and guests naturally gravitate during gatherings. Because kitchens play such an important role, color choices have a huge impact on both appearance and functionality. Designers are now focusing on colors that create warmth, comfort, and timeless beauty. The sterile, cold kitchens of the past are gradually being replaced by inviting spaces inspired by nature and luxury living. Let's look at the top kitchen colors leading the way in 2026. Trend number 1: warm white kitchens. Warm white kitchens remain one of the most popular choices in America. However, today's whites are very different from the bright, cool whites that dominated previous years. Instead, homeowners are embracing softer shades with creamy undertones. Warm white kitchens create checkmark brightness, checkmark timeless appeal, checkmark clean elegance, checkmark spaciousness. These colors pair beautifully with gold hardware, natural wood accents, quartz countertops, warm lighting. The result is a kitchen that feels fresh yet welcoming. Warm white is especially popular in luxury homes because it creates an expensive and sophisticated appearance. Trend number 2: greige kitchens. One of the fastest growing kitchen colors is greige. Greige combines gray and beige to create a perfectly balanced neutral. This versatile color works well in modern kitchens, farmhouse kitchens, transitional interiors, luxury homes. Greige offers the sophistication of gray while adding the warmth homeowners are craving. Many designers consider it one of the safest long-term color investments because it rarely goes out of style. Pair greige cabinets with white countertops, matte black hardware, natural oak flooring. The result is understated luxury. Trend number 3: olive green kitchens. Nature-inspired colors are dominating interior design in 2026. And olive green has become one of the most requested kitchen cabinet colors. This earthy shade creates a calming atmosphere while adding personality and depth. Olive green pairs beautifully with brass hardware, white marble countertops, natural wood shelving, warm lighting. The combination feels organic, sophisticated, and timeless. Many luxury designers describe olive green as the perfect balance between bold and neutral. It's colorful without feeling overwhelming. Trend number 4: deep navy blue kitchens. Navy blue continues to be a favorite among interior designers. This rich color adds depth, elegance, and drama without feeling trendy. Navy blue works especially well for kitchen islands, lower cabinets, accent cabinetry. When combined with white marble countertops and gold fixtures, navy creates a classic luxury aesthetic. Unlike many bold colors, navy has proven its ability to remain stylish year after year. That's why it continues to appear in some of the most beautiful kitchens across America. Trend number 5: earthy beige and taupe kitchens. The desire for comfort is driving one of the biggest trends of 2026. Earthy beige and taupe kitchens are becoming increasingly popular because they create a soft, relaxing environment. These colors feel warm and welcoming while maintaining a sophisticated appearance. Designers love pairing them with textured stone, natural wood, linen-inspired finishes, organic decor. This trend reflects the growing popularity of quiet luxury design. Rather than drawing attention with bold colors, these kitchens create beauty through simplicity and refinement. As we've seen today, kitchen color trends in 2026 are all about warmth, comfort, and timeless elegance. Whether you love warm whites, olive greens, navy blues, greige tones, or natural wood finishes, there are countless ways to create a beautiful and inviting kitchen. The best kitchen color is ultimately the one that fits your personal style and complements your home. Which kitchen color trend is your favorite? Would you choose olive green, warm white, navy blue, or natural wood? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more kitchen design inspiration, home decor ideas, and interior design trends. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Sparkle's beautiful kitchens begin with beautiful color choices. Sparkle's